Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys day 2 of my Coachella fit and how you can recreate that. So I'm just going to use this hair and I'm going to color it blonde. And I'm also going to use this hair and then this one as well as this one. Okay. Now we're going to go to the VIP section and I'm going to use this and I'm going to color it this gold, and then for this one I'm going to color it yellow and pink. Oops. Wait, which one is that one? Oh. Okay, so just make it like this. And then for this one, I'm going to color the first one like this gold, and then I'm going to go, actually I'll do gold, and then I'm going to go between yellow and pink. Like that. And then I am going to use these pants here. And then I'm going to make the texture silk. And then the first color I'm going to be using is this pink color. And then I'm going to be using this gold color. Again, I'm going to change the the material to metallic. Like that. For the shoes, I will be using this in a gold color, and then I'll be adding on metallic and gold to everything, even though you can't really see it, but somewhat like this. Then I'm going to go to the code item, and I am going to add the Valentine's Quest outfit, and we're going to select the layer. I'm going to color it pink and yellow. Well, this like cream color, I guess. Like that. You can add like more stuff if you would like to. Again, this is just what I'm doing. I might add this on in like a gold. For the necklace, I'm going to be using this one in gold. And I am going to be reusing this as well in gold. And I am going to be using this. Again, coloring it between yellow and pink. I'll do pink first and then this yellow. And then I'm going to do this one as well in gold and pink and yellow and pink. If you want to add more, that is totally up to you. Maybe like another necklace. But there's like no like lower necklace than that. You can add like more headpieces. You can add in flowers if you would like to. I'm going to add like a cute flower here. Maybe in pink actually. And you can add more stuff, but I think I really like this look and I don't want to add anything to it. You can also add bags. I don't really add bags to these, so I just want to show you how I made the outfit. But that is it for Coachella Day 2. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!